Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and what a way to start off the week, but with another shave video. I had a great weekend, ended up going, if you can believe it, to the 40th high school reunion for Marina High School class of 1979, see I still wear that ring, and it was pretty good. So later on in the shave video, I'll maybe throw you a couple of scenes. They did ask, somebody asked, do you have a picture from your high school yearbook? And I do actually, so I'll include that in this video. But this is a cool video because it's new products. I love trying out new products. This comes actually by popular demand. You guys have been asking for this from Black Ship Grooming. And it is Siren Song, Aftershave, and shave soap. And I really like the smell. And I know you're gonna say, that one guy might say, hey man, is this a commercial? But this is new stuff to me, man, and I gotta try it out, let you guys know about it. And it's lavender, lang lang, fir, patchouli, and bergamot. But it's got just an awesome smell. It's funny too, on their site, it says, use your brush, wet your brush, rub it around. It's funny, they're giving directions how to lather with this, and I've been doing it that way forever, but I guess there's still some people out there who don't know, who are new to wet shaving, who don't know how to lather the brush. So it was really nice to see a soap company and an aftershave company actually kind of telling you how to do it. And maybe I'll follow up a little bit on that in this video. All right, so I'm gonna be using those. I'm gonna be using for the razor, the Fatip from Italy, but I'm using the closed comb version this time. Last time I used the open comb version, but believe it or not, this is the closed comb. So I'll be using that today. Looks kind of cool. I'm going to be using Gillette but almost had a blooper. Almost landed in the crystal skull. Was a blooper. Gillette Super Thin, available in Panama. My friend from Panama sent me this. I have another friend who visits Mexico a lot. He got me some of these, and I guess they're available in Panama, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. So since it's a Caribbean styled shave, pirates and all, I thought it would be appropriate. I wanted a brush that reminded me of the ocean, so I'm going to be using the Kensurfs Badger. And see, summer brush, but it is an ocean, and this is kind of an ocean themed shave. So let me put it in the old crystal skull there. It's funny how many people still ask where you get this crystal skulls. And I got mine from Home Goods, but you can go on eBay and Amazon and you search for a crystal skull candle holder and you'll be able to find that. But it's just kind of a cool thing to soak your brush in. Looks kind of awesome on your shaved end too, on your shelf. I've got another person asked, hey, what do you use to hold up your camera on the mirror? And believe it or not, I just ordered a new one from eBay. This was like $4 shipped. This is what I use. It snaps to the mirror, and that holds my phone. But the one there that's currently on there just keeps falling off. So it's time for a new one. I probably could just switch the mounting cup, suction cup, but I'm going to be using a new one there. And I've got some soaps on deck for upcoming shave, also from Black Ship Grooming, the Tortuga. From Bevel Shave Company, I just used their razor, and they actually have an aftershave restoring balm. So I'm going to be anxious to try that out. And I have not forgot about my Global Shave Company pre, mid, and post-shave serums. I just haven't had a chance to get to all of these yet. So let's get this shave started. We'll load this razor. Hope you guys had a pretty cool weekend. I had a pretty good one. I went to that high school reunion and it was sad to see, there's probably about 10 or 15 people that passed away since the last reunion, but it was great to see old friends again. And there's so many elementary schools around here in Huntington Beach. There went the mirror. Hang on. I caught that damn thing while I was holding the razor blade. It got me a little slice right there. Son of a gun. Where was I? So many elementary schools in Huntington Beach, and they all end up going to the same high school. So it was kind of nice to see all of my friends that I spent 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade with in elementary school, and then ended up at the same high school. So it was really nice. I had a hard time when I came out from England. I had a silly accent, a Geordie accent, and that just caused a lot of problems with kids giving me a hard time because of that accent. So, but when I got to Village View School, my elementary school, I'd lost the accent and people were just so cool. What a different experience than my first 2 years here in the US. All right, let's get started. Oh. All right, let that badger get rid of some of the water. I think this is a 4-ounce cup. Oh, smells really good. I think this goes for 15 bucks on their site. Man, I'm watching that camera. If it falls again, I'm gonna swap out that base immediately. Very easy to lather. Oh, I'm gonna add a little more water to that. There we go. Ah, look at that. You can tell you got a good lather when you can add more water mid-shave and it just stays flawless. Thanks to Kelly from Black Ship Grooming for answering all my questions, and it has been a real help. So thank you, Kelly. Appreciate it. Oh, see, doesn't wipe off. Beautiful. And my hand's bleeding where I caught that stupid thing. All right. While doing a shave video, I cut the palm of my hand. What a dope. Oh man. A lot less aggressive than when it's got the double or the open comb on it. Very nice results. It'll take 2 passes though, because it's not quite as smooth or as sharp a shave as you get with an open comb, as you probably all know. The open combs kind of give you more of the blade onto your skin. But if you're worried about getting nicks, the closed comb. Well, this Fatip razor, or Fatip, had both included, so that was kind of cool. Actually, this must be a popular razor because that shave video received a lot of views, more than the usual batch on my channel. So, great looking razor. Well, the soap is performing very well. You can smell the lavender. Very nice. Very nice. Well, for those of you who are wondering, I sometimes take you on a visit with me when I go places. Here's what it looked like at the high school reunion. And I even won a prize, if you can believe it. Out of all the graduating class, I'm the one that lives the closest to the high school. So they gave me a globe and they said, hey man, there's more to the world than just close to your high school. So I used to live about half a mile away. And then when I bought my house, 20 years ago, I actually ended up getting closer to the high school. So here's what I looked like back then. Here's the globe, and here's a little bit of the, maybe a couple of photographs, especially with my friends from elementary school that showed up. That was a fun night. I don't know if you guys go to your high school reunions, but that piece of crap, huh? Scared the hell out of me. Knocked everything off my shit. That's the piece of crap that just fell. So, all right. Scared the crap out of me there. All right. Hope it didn't scare you. Put that under my car tire and back over it. Haven't got this one quite adjusted yet, but it's on the fly, so. All right. Very impressed with the soap. Damn brushes, razors. Everything fell. Ooh, clipped me. I have to go to the damn dermatologist this week. They always end up freezing some crap off my face. So if you don't see me for a few days with the shave videos, you'll know why. Man, I am surprised I didn't slice my throat with all of these startling shock treatments I'm getting. All right. Hit everything on my shelf, man. Knocked everything off. What a piece of crap. But what do you want for $5, right? It lasted a few months, several months. I'm gonna leave this one permanently attached, and it'll probably be falling off in a month or two. Sure hope I don't have like soap, because this thing almost landed in that water bowl. Now, I have not looked at the site. I do not know if this contains alcohol or not. We're about to find out. Oh, I like it. It's got the shaker cap so you don't get too much. There goes the air freshener. Oh yeah, it contains alcohol. Oh, what a nice burn. And son of a bitch, that's burning. Whew. What a funny video, guys. I think I had a pimple or something there, and the razor got it right on the edge there. Got me on there. Oh, very smooth though. Great scent. All right. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the startling. God, you should see the sink. In fact, I'll show you the sink. I'll take it off and show you the sink before I sign off. But thanks for watching. And I do look forward to seeing you guys again very soon. And I'll have links to their site and all the products used in this video in the video description. So let me pause and show you what ended up happening to my damn sink here. What a mess. My own fault. Knocked everything down. Son of a gun. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you for your subscriptions. And until next time, it's Kensurfs saying have a great night.